Hello everyone, and welcome to the first day back. I hope you've all had a restful holiday and are ready for some exciting learning in science. This term we're studying the Earth, and to start off we're going to look at the structure of the Earth in detail. You will need your interactive science notebook and a pen for this video lesson. Our learning for today is that by the end of this video you should be able to sketch and label a cross-section of inside the Earth and describe the Earth's crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. And by this I mean you should be able to describe the temperature, the thickness and what each layer is made up of. If it was possible to dig to the center of the Earth, what would you find? You would dig through three sections. The crust, which is the rocky outer layer beneath our feet. The mantle, the semi-liquid, very high temperature layer below the crust. The cooler section near the crust is less mobile than the hotter section next to the core, and this is also known as the asthenosphere. The core, the layer at the center of the Earth. This layer is divided into two sections, the liquid outer core and the solid inner core. We're now going to look at each of the sections in detail. Firstly, the crust. The thickness is up to 70 kilometers and the temperature can range from 0 to 870 degrees Celsius. The crust is a thin outer layer of the Earth. It is made up of giant sections called tectonic plates. These drift slowly on top of the mantle as a result of convection currents. Pause the video here and copy the information on the screen. The mantle is next. Its thickness is up to 2,900 kilometers and the temperature can range between 1,300 and 4,000 degrees Celsius. The mantle is the widest of the Earth's layers, and due to the high temperatures, it is semi-liquid and has the consistency of jam. The mantle mainly consists of iron, silicon and magnesium. Pause the video here and copy the information on the screen. The outer core has a thickness of up to 2,200 kilometers. The temperature can range between 4 and 5,000 degrees Celsius. The outer core is a liquid layer that is made up of molten iron and small amounts of nickel, sulfur and oxygen. As the Earth rotates, the outer core spins, and this generates the Earth's magnetic field. Pause the video here and copy the information on the screen. And finally, we reach the inner core, which the thickness is about 1,200 kilometers and the temperature between 5 and 6,000 degrees Celsius. The pressure within the inner core is so great that even at high temperatures, the rock in there does not melt. This means that the inner core is solid. It mainly consists of iron and nickel with small amounts of lighter elements. Pause the video here and copy the information on the screen. You should have a structure of the Earth foldable. If not, you'll be getting it very soon. With this, you need to use information on the next slide to complete the structure of the Earth foldable. And when you have finished it, you need to glue your foldable into your interactive science notebook. And here is the information that you need.